So this is called Harbor Beach. Harbor. Come, Tanjit, come. This is a lake with a camping site and everything. Yeah. So it's all about boat. It's all the camping ground. People come here to make it the holiday here. And this is everybody come with a boat. And you see, this is the boat dock. Hundreds and hundreds of boat you can park here, rent here. It's a very long lake. There's a bicycle coming. Tanda, bicycle coming. Go this side. Look at that. They're riding so fast.
Riding no training wheels.
Yeah, because they're expert.
They're very
So this is the dock. People are all out. I never see this big dock like that.
Smell like IKEA.
It smells like IKEA, yes.
Now it smells like ketchup.
Look, there is a boat going. We have to come with the boat.
You know how to drive a boat? And do you know how to ride a boat?
I can learn.
But do you know? Do you know how to drive a boat?
Yes, but don't go close to any people.
There's a middle I see.
Yeah, and there because there's a long weekend.
That's the middle.
Yeah, so there is every dock has a number.
No, like we're on this strip.
Because of the against the sun. Okay. No, come.
What is that?
Mama said to go there, but we don't want. We want to take a look about all the dock. Wow. The hundreds of hundreds dock. This is a boat. One boat cost more than 100,000, 50 to 100,000. There's some luxury boat. You can buy, you can rent, you can even rent and then rent couple of days. Oh, look at the goosey. Wow.
What is the goose? Oh, the moth.
And there. You see, these are all the floating. And you will see how American. This is only one dock, and this lake have at least 20 of this type of dock. This is a dock JKLMNI. So how many boat you can have?
And it goes up to Z all the way to Z.
Yeah, there's all the way to A. There's hundreds and hundreds of dock.
From A to Z.
We could even come here because there's a lot of parking. Anyway.
Oh, that car has a number. Ooh, Team Jade. Now we need to wear my show back again.
That's okay. This is the biggest dock ever. You see that? Every dock have a boat. Many boat. You can bring your own boat. Or there is a car, Taushin. Or you can rent. And you can have fun while you are camping here.
Papa.
Yes.
What is fun? We can play in the beach.
Or you can bike a water bike.
We
Huh?
don't like to play in the beach, so it's not fun.
Yeah, but this is a different place. The other side was beach. This side is just for boat. Wow.
Because that bridge you'll go to. If you go to that bridge, you'll get a boat.
No fishing. So this area they don't allow fishing. Come. We see a little bit. Okay. Because you can camp here. There's a car. You can camp here. You can bring this thing. These people are living here for days. There's a lot of campsite. Okay, so they will spend the whole holiday, 3, 4, 5 days here. They will cook, they will eat, they will sleep here. And look at the fish.
So much.
This is the camping. You can rent. Come with your car. That's there. Your holiday. And ride the boat here. There is even restaurant inside floating. Hmm? The dam. Wow. So people, so many boat. So many boat. Wow. So many boat.
Papa, can you look at the dam store?
What's the dam store? Dam store is there. You can, I think, buy food.
Yeah, but can you look in there?
And there is a lot of big ferry, boat moving.
Yeah, but can you go look?
You wanna go to the float? I don't wanna go there.
What?
I don't wanna go to the floating area.
You need to go on the bridge.
Ah?
You need to go on the bridge to go there.
There is all the camping site. People come with a very big trailer.
Papa,
Yes.
on this really big. Go there.
Mm-hmm.
On this
There is a. So you can imagine in summer, little bit summer, how many people will be here with how many boat, and how many of these people will be enjoying here.
They have a USA life jacket.
Hmm?
They have a USA life jacket.
Yeah. So if you wanna ride the boat, there's a car coming. If you wanna ride the boat, you must have a life jacket.
And license.
Hmm?
If you sport swimming, you don't need it.
The water looks very clean, right? In fact, the water looks very good.
Yeah, you can have a feet through.
Hmm.
If you want to swim there, you need
There's a
life
boat,
jacket.
there's a restaurant there. But we don't want to go close to the people because of the COVID virus. Otherwise, we could go there and buy something and eat. Better we go back and buy something on the way, okay?
You also have here.
Hmm. Wow, so many boats. Okay, it's time to go. We have 2 hours to go. What do you think, Tanjit? Daushin, you'd like it?
Yes.
Hmm?
3 hours.
But we have to come here to rent the camp and stay here for a couple of days. Then you can find.
I learned how to swim now.
Yeah?
Now I can go to the beach.
Yeah, you have the life jacket. Okay.
Now I can swim. You're going to be very expert. Now you need to take off the life jacket and swim.